Good afternoon, all. Thank you for the time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shalin Teresa Berhitu. I'm from E class. Okay, today I will present my final assignment from the syntax course throughout this video about the existence of syntax and ambiguity. Okay, the next. The first of definition is existence of syntax. Syntax existence refers to the idea that a linguistic expression or structure must be syntaxically valid to exist or be considered meaningful within a language. In other words, for a sentence or phrase to be part of language, it needs to conform to the rules and structure of the language. For the example, or existential syntax. Number 1, syntaxically valid sentence. Sentence or that cat sleeps on the mat. Explanation: this sentence is syntaxically valid because it follows the rules of language in syntax. It has a clear subject or the cat, a verb or sleep, and a professional purse on the mat. The provides additional information. This sentence conforms to the expected structure and is therefore said to have syntax existence in English. Number 2, syntaxically invalid sentence. Sentence: sleep the cat mat on. Explanation: this sentence does not follow the standard rules of English syntax. The word other is incorrect and describes the expected subject, verb, object, structure. Number 3 for the example is ungrammatically but syntaxically possible sentence. Sentence: the cat on the mat sleeps. Explanation: although this syntax is not commonly used, it is still syntaxically valid. The sentence is an example of a structure where the propositional verse or on the mat is placed at the beginning, which can happen in certain stylistic or poetry contexts. Number 4 for the example, syntaxically invalid sentence which correct parts. Sentence: the cat mat sleeps. Explanation: in this case, will the cat and sleeps are syntaxically correct components. Mat is misplaced because it should be part of a propositional verb or object. In summary, syntax existence refers to whether a sentence or phrase conforms to the grammatical rules of language. Sentences that follow these rules are considered to have syntax existence, while those that do not are deemed syntaxically invalid. Next material is ambiguitas. Definition is ambiguitas. In linguistics, to ambiguity in sentence, ambiguity is the quickly of begin upon the more than on interpretation or having multiple meaning. Here are a key contexts in which ambiguity may arise. Number 1, linguistic ambiguity. In linguistic, ambiguity occurs when a word, phrase, or sentence can be understood in more than one way. This can be due to several factors such as lexical ambiguity, syntaxis ambiguity, semantic ambiguity. Number 2, logical ambiguity. In logic, ambiguity can occur in proposition or arguments if the terms or structure are not clear. For example, ambiguous proposition, ambiguous quantifiers. Number 3, pragmatic ambiguity. In practical communication, ambiguity can arise from the context in which language is used. The inherent meaning might be unclear based on the situation or the speaker's tone. For the example of ambiguity, this sentence is ambiguous because bank could mean a financial institution or the side of a river. Without addition, context is unclear which meaning is in that. Next, importance of ambiguity. Understanding and addressing ambiguity is crucial. Effective communication, legal drafting, programming, and many other fields where clarity is essential. In literature and art, however, ambiguity can be used intentional to create deep and multiplayer of meaning. Here are, for example, of ambiguity across different contexts are lexical ambiguity, syntaxis ambiguity, semantic ambiguity, and then pragmatic ambiguity. Next, structure ambiguity in legal documents, and then next, contextual ambiguity in everyday communication. Next, ambiguity in instructions. I think that's all about this is my video, and then so thank you.